Hey guys, it's NBA Breakdown, and I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. I never thought that would happen, and today we're gonna be doing a Suns rebuild, and let's just get right to it. So for the most part, I'm probably just gonna be simming this season, as I'm probably just gonna get rid of some terrible contracts, and then you just get like a pick for this. Okay. How about just Brandon Knight? Can you just do it without Evan Turner? No. No, let's just sim this season. Okay. And I will see you after the season's over. See how we do. Okay, so let's go to. So let's see what our. So Peyton's gonna be Peyton Lens. So none really care back. Kind of want to bring back Ulyss maybe because he has solid trade value, but just sim the draft lottery. We have these at third, no fourth. Try to get top 5. You get 5th, okay. Let's see if we can move Steph signing. So try to get Stafford 4 years. Let's get John Smith. And let's fire him and get Jimmy Lynch. There's. Okay, we got Jimmy Lynch. Okay, we got both these guys. So I know we gotta get rid of some big contracts. So I'll see you guys when I find an offer for Knight and Chandler. Okay, so this is pretty good trade. Huge salary dump. Oh no, not what I wanted to do. Oh my god. Okay, so which one was this? John Lure. Probably just get traded. We have a Mavericks pick, which is pretty nice. Let's get rid of him. Perfect. Bucks first round pick. That can be. No, it's probably not gonna be that good. Our big contracts need to get rid of. Oh, Dudley. Can you just get like a thank you, Grizzlies? 2 7-round picks. How much cap do we have? Okay, we have a lot of cap. Payne Leonard free agents. So thing is, I like about rebuilding the Suns is that they have a lot of guys with a lot of value. Like, take a guy like Dragon Bender. He has 3 stars. No, I want to see if we can get. I'm gonna try to get Whiteside. So Bender and future first. Can you get it for Whiteside? Okay. Can you do this? Okay, nice. So we got Whiteside. Honestly, what you can get from Marquise Chris, because I think he also has solid trade value. On amazing offers, but no, I want to do Marquise Chris first and then 5th pick. See if we can move up. Pick 3 and Serge. Sarge and pick 7. Try to propose a trade. So, it's Chris. First pick. Can you get pick? Where's one? And you have to give us. Okay, I'll try to get pick 2 because they have like no cap. Okay. And I will give you a future first. Okay. So we got that. We got the second pick. Honestly, I know Josh Jackson is good. Oh my god, really? But like he's got great trade value and let's see how much cap is. Honestly, we need a small forward that's making less than. How about just like 11 mil? Not gonna get any of these guys. Okay. Point guard you can get for, just say, Walker's only 12 mil. Is he a free agent? No, he's not. Okay. So let's try to get Walker. So can you get TJ Warren, future first from? I want to give up that. Future Bucks pick. And future Suns pick. Okay. So Whiteside, Booker, Walker. I want to get Peyton's gonna be free agent. I'm trying to see what we can get for Jackson and the number. Okay. Don't really need anyone because I'm probably gonna draft Bagley or Porter. So, you know what? I will see you at rookie signing with who I signed. Okay, so I don't even know how I didn't realize this, but we had the Heat pick, so we picked up Bagley and Sexton. So that should be perfect. It should be a great duo. Probably have Sexton off the bench. Just decline. I'll accept. So I want to see if we can get Durant or George. Because, like, how much for each? I think 13 mil. So I don't think we're going to bring back Peyton or Len. So what else do we not? What can we get for Daniels and Reed? I'll clear up almost. Oh my gosh. God, I hate when 2K glitches on you like that. I'm for Skizzly, first pick. Ooh. What? We can get John Collins for Reed and Daniels? Okay. Our bench is going to be like, so right now, oh wow, we have a lot of point guards. So we have Walker, Sexton. I'll probably trade Ulyss. Shooting guards is going to be Booker. We have Jackson, and I'm going to try to get George or Durant. We have Bagley and Collins. We have Whiteside and probably Len. So this team can be good after. So let's team player options. Okay. No, I don't really want Peyton. Okay. Okay, we have the money for Durant. Player option, yes, no trade clause. Let's give Cousins a huge deal. Usually when I do these, I usually get either Cousins or Grant. Let's try to get Paul. And okay. We got Cousins. Okay, so let's re-announce the rates on all of these guys. Okay. So I guess oh my gosh. Okay. This team's gonna be on it. I need a. Okay. Why isn't it showing up? Okay. So we have Cousins and Whiteside. What we really need is a small forward. What can you get for Cousins or Whiteside? He's got a lot of trade value. Did not exactly think about that. Okay, what good? So I'm gonna try to trade for George, and I will see you guys when I have a deal. Okay, so I know we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good this year. So Hassan Whiteside and this pick for Paul George. Look out there. Okay, try not to pick. Okay, let's go. We got Paul George. This lineup's gonna be nasty. So point guard, we're gonna have Walker, Sexton. Okay, let's see what we can find for Ulis. Can you get just a shooting guard? Honestly, Redick, it's not terrible. So far, I haven't really seen anything. We need a shooting guard off the bench. So you know what? Let's get Redick. Yeah. So at point guard, we have Walker and Sexton, Booker and Redick, George and Jackson, Bagley and Collins, and let's try to see. Is there how much? Do we just have like the minimal exception? Okay. So let's just sign a center. Just get like edit. Oh my god. Just like Can you really? Okay. Okay, I really read, and I'll see you. Okay, I think this team is gonna be really good. I mean, we have Walker, Booker, George, Bagley, Cousins off the bench. We have Collins, Redick, Jackson, Sexton, and probably gonna have these guys play no minutes. Sexton 14, Jackson 18. So it's 15. Collins 22. Let's give Boogie 34. Bagley 31. George 34. Booker 34. Walker 32. And let's give one more to Bagley. Let's give. Okay. So this is the lineup we're going to be going with. And I think we should get at least 60 wins. And we'll see. I think we definitely first place or maybe second. So it depends. Okay. Okay, so this team honestly did what I thought they would. I mean, they're definitely get six. Come on, beat the Grizzlies. What? We didn't get. Okay, we didn't get first spot, but that's fine. Curry, of course, went MVP. Trae Young, 25 points, early 2K. Jordan at a B here. Okay, did you get any Suns? I doubt we'll get any. Okay? No Suns. It's fine. No Suns at all? Oh, yeah. Bagley, 8 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists. I guess I couldn't really expect too much from him with like a star team. Sexton, nice. 6 points, 2 assists. I didn't really expect from him either. So, if anyone's aggressing, Thomas, I don't know. He's in 79? Jeez. Okay, so we're going to be facing the Utah Jazz, Romeo. We should easily beat this team. So our player sets: George had 19, Booker 16, Cousins 15, Walker 15, Collins 9, and you can see the rest. So Bagley went up to an 84, Collins an 83, Booker went up 1, and then Sexton is at 78. So really, if you have this much stars, you can't really expect guys like, oh my God, really? Okay, so guys like Booker, Cousins, Walker, like those guys are they're usually like 20-point scores, but with a team filled with stars, you're not really gonna expect that. So let's simulate. Okay, we're over here. Let's simulate this round. If we lose, we should sweep them. Okay, now we're facing the Thunder. So any changes? Well, they don't have George. Oh yeah, we trade him for Whiteside. So Russell. Don't have Melo either. So I don't know how they got the 3 seed. Okay, lost game 1. Won game 2. Lost game 3. Oh my God. Really? It's a joke, 2K. We lost in 6 games. That's. Oh my God. And the San Antonio Spurs make it to the. How? Sheesh. How did they end up winning it? Like, they had Westbrook and Whiteside. I don't know how they were that good. Jeez. It's 2K right there. So I will probably do one more season because I think Booker, Walker, Collins, and Jackson are all free agents. Try to sign all of them. I don't know. LeBron's going to be there, but I'm pretty sure. I'm not exactly sure though. So I will see you in free agency. So this will be our final lineup for our final year, next for the playoffs. Probably gonna end it with Walker, Booker, George, Bagley, Cousins, and off the bench we have Collins, Jackson, Sexton, Cook. So I think this should get a 1 seed. I mean, this team is loaded. So see how we do. Hopefully we'll get probably similar amount of wins and maybe not lose in second round again. So let's just see how we do. So we went 66-16, which was definitely, I think it was a couple wins better than last year. We got the 1 seed. Cameron, oh my gosh. Strat classes are freaking OP. Nance, 6-man, Gobert. Okay, got coach of the year, nice. Any Suns? No. Alonzo, all defense first. Jeez. Defense second. Oh, got Bagley. He increases rebounds. Jeez. I mean, he's not putting up the points, so he's putting up the all-around numbers. Didn't have any rookies, so we got the first year be facing the Sacramento Spurs.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping. What is up, man?
Okay. Murray, Leonard, Aldridge, still spelling. So let's see your stats. So George, 18, Cousins, 17, Booker, 16, Walker, 15, Collins, Bagley, Jackson. I guess Jackson did better. Sexton, so Cook just fine. So I want to see what's our team stats. So I feel like we had to do pretty good. So what? How are we one of the lowest scoring teams? That doesn't make any sense when you have guys like George, Cousins, whatever, 2K. And you definitely have the best defensive team by far, and we have the best difference by far. So let's just in this current round. I know they went to we swept them, facing the Clippers. So I'm just going to make this game by game so I don't, oh my God. Okay. Okay, close game. And we lost. Okay, George. Wow. George put 35 and everyone's terrible. Okay. Okay. Let's jump in.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
So that was disappointing. Freaking all-star team can't win a second round of a playoff series. Okay, so that's going to be it for me. Subscribe and like, and comment below if you want more of this, of rebuilding or a different type of rebuild. So thanks for watching and have a good day.